Did you see a baby bird? Yeah.
Ayan. We are now preparing to go somewhere. Mag-walking muna kami kasi magandang sikat ng araw. Tapos, siguro mag-boating kami today. So beautiful. Beautiful.
Hey, Saya.
Bigay mo kay Ading, Nak. Yung cookies. Kunin mo. Take it. Give to Ading. Dali na. Dali. Kunin mo yung cookies. You don't want? Sayan, you want cookie? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Ate Saya. You're welcome. Saya. Wow. Where are you going? Aha. Yeah. Where are you going? Saan ka punta? Shh. Pretty.
Lucas. Nee, die schroeven
Ang
staan
kuya.
niet in het water.
Saya, you wanna go boating? We go boat? Na, sakay tayo ng boat, Nak. You want to go boat?
Daar is het water.
Yeah? Seatbelt on.
Is dat oma koekje? Ja.
Yeah.
Ja, papa. Wil je niet meer? You don't like it?
No,
Papa eet?
Papa. Ayan, lipat kong lap.
Saya.
Yeah. Ah. Wow. Thank you. This is where we walk right now. It's a nice view. Mag-picture taking muna kami. Wait lang. Padaanin lang natin yung picture. Ayan, pasok kami dito sa tunnel, sa taas niya ni kalsada. Wah! Saya! You see it, Saya? What is that? We made it, Saya! Yan yung sasakyan namin, no? Yay! Hinga. Yan yung boat. Kung makikita nyo dun sa kabila, meron siyang another city. Ayan, dun kami pupunta mamaya. Blessingan. Tuwang-tuwa si Saya sa Eco. Ayan, akit kami, bibili ng ticket. Ayan, waiting kami sa aming boat. Naglalaro yung dalawa sa baba kasama ang daddy. Ang sayon, chill-chill lang. Yeah, chill-chill. What is that? Yeah? Ayan! Sakay na kami. Zion! Okay, ka. He's not going back. Yeah, it's not going back. Yeah. What? Are you hungry? What do you want to eat? We go eat there, yeah? In Flisinga. Yeah. You want a fish? You want to eat the fish? Yeah? And rice? Can you say cheese? Where are we going? You hungry? Gutom na ang pasahero. I'm hungry na daw. Lapit po tayo. Zion! Station ng Flisinga. It's so nice. Whoa! Police boat. Yacht. Ang laki. So nice. Yeah. Slip na ang dalawa, oh. Slow. You're now in the city. We're going to eat here. Kaya mag-choose ng food. Kaya, tulog pa din yung dalawa. What size is it? Ang aming food. Saya's awake and she's eating. Gising na rin ang Sayon. He's eating. Did you do, Saya? Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Dit is gewoon de kibbeling die je net ook gegeten hebt.
Hij wou niet meer. Zion.
Where's the bird?
Yeah, where's the bird? Call the bird. Kluk, kluk, kluk,
Waar is de vogel?
The toilet? Yeah. Salada.
Dat was konijnenvoer. 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 Ayan, we're finished eating na po. Mag-walk na kami pabalik ng ferry. Here's the view. Back to the ferry. Takbo! Bago maiwanan! Okay, set. Kijk. So, diba, ayan, on the way na ulit kami papunta ng aming vacation house. Bale, ferry experience lang talaga yung sinadya namin, mag-boating ganyan. Tsaka kumain sa kabilang city. Yun lang talaga yung pinakasadya namin mag-ferry experience para ma-experience din ng mga bata. Ay, babak na. Hi, Saya! Faster. Je wil faster dan de hobbel.
Ayan, we're walking again to go to our, sa aming bahay. Saya, what is that? Blueberry!
Je ruikt barbecue.
Ja, ik ruik het ook. Ruikt lekker. Hij is weer honger.
Ja, gaan we eten.
Rice, weer rice? Pabalik na po kami. Ang dalawa, nagbabangad na. Wow! Wow, what is that? Uh-oh. What is that? Insect? Yes, lab. Sipon, open na sipon.
Well, it's not.
Yeah.
Oh no.
No.
It's bigger.
Yeah.
It's
Huh?
Come on.
Come on. What is that?
Come on, it's bigger.
Yeah.
Picture. A
Picture?
fly.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Not a flower.
Oh, the flower. Alright.
Aha.
Tawag mo si Sayan.
Yes.
Wow, a grass. That's nice. Yeah. What do you there, Saya? Oh, we're gonna end this video na po. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Like and
subscribe.
Papa,
Come on.
come on.